Wholesaling is the fastest way to make money in real estate. The last 3 wholesale deals we did made $26,000, $11,000, and $18,000. Hey guys, Ariane here, and I'm going to share what wholesaling is, the steps to wholesale a house, and I'll even give you a copy of the contract our team uses to wholesale 10 plus houses a month so you can start wholesaling if you want to. And first, I want to make it very clear. Wholesaling houses is active income, not passive income. You still have to trade time for money. And you can systemize it and hire people and turn it into a business later like we did. But I just wanted to make sure that you know that this is work. And I have other videos on passive income, so check those out in the description, and I'll link to a playlist at the end of this video. In this video, we'll cover what is wholesaling, what are the steps to wholesale, and how do you know what to offer for a property so you can wholesale it, and also what the contracts you need to use, and I'll give you a copy to those later. So first, what is wholesaling? So one of my investor friends did this accidentally. He went under contract on a house, and then another person really wanted to buy it, so that other person paid my friend $10,000 to not buy the house so they could buy it instead. So that's really what wholesaling is in a nutshell. And the main point to remember is you're not selling a property. You're actually selling the right to buy a property when you're wholesaling. The technical word is assigning. You're assigning the right to buy that property for a fee, and that's how you get paid. The fee can be as small as $100 or tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars for large deals like apartment complexes. What you make all depends on how good of a price you negotiate. So you must be thinking, what are the steps to wholesale? There are 4 main steps. First, you get leads, talk to sellers, and make offers. And I think the best place to start doing that is by driving for dollars. What this is you drive around neighborhoods and you find houses that look unkept. Maybe there's a tarp on the roof or really tall grass or the siding looks disheveled, etc. And you're going to keep track of those houses. I recommend using a driving for dollars app like Deal Machine to keep track of it, and then also use a software like ReiSift to skip trace the owner's property phone number, keep track of your leads, and help you prioritize your time on the most important leads. I'll put a link to those in the description below if you want to check them out. Step 2, you're going to get the property under contract. And I'll show you later how you can get a copy of the contracts I use. Step 3, you're going to assign your contract to an investor buyer for a fee. A good place to find buyers is by going to local meetups. You go to meetup.com and search real estate investors, and you'll find meetups you can go to. Usually they also have Facebook groups. So you can search like your city in the Facebook groups page, and you'll find some real estate investment clubs there too. So when you're there, bring a sign-up sheet to your buyers list or give people a link to sign up. And when you get a property under contract, you figure out what price you want to sell that for. That includes your fee. And then you email, text, and call your buyers. You agree on a price, and then you sign the assignment agreement. After that comes step number 4, which is the favorite part of this, right? Which is collecting your fee at closing. So that's it. That's how you wholesale a property. Now, some of you are asking, how much should you get a house under contract for so you can wholesale it? Well, what you need to do is know your numbers and know the buyers and figure out how much they are willing to pay. Because they're only going to pay what they can pay. And it's up to you to get a good enough discount so you can make money too. There are 2 main types of buyers, flippers and landlords. For flippers, you need to know 2 things. What the property will sell for after it's fixed up. This is called the after repair value, or the ARV. And the repairs the house needs to sell for the ARV. You can get what repairs cost on homewise.com. All right, so here's the flipper's formula. ARV times 0.7 minus repairs equals the flipper's maximum offer. So if you want to make money, then you have to deduct what you want to make from the flipper's maximum offer, and that's your maximum offer. That's the price you need to get the property under contract for. So let's say this. I'm a flipper. I'm willing to pay $100,000 for 123 Main Street. And you, because you're a good negotiator, you get 123 Main Street under contract for $80,000. And you come to me and say, hey, do you want to buy it for $100,000? And I say yes, right? So I'll happily pay $100,000 and you get to profit $20,000. Simple, right? Now, I said to multiply it by, multiply the ARV times 0.7 because that's a safe bet. But in some areas, flippers are willing to pay up to 0.75 or 0.8, right? So ask local flippers in your area what their formula is. The second type of buyer are landlords. You can use my rental property calculator I made here on this video to figure out what a landlord can pay. You'll need to know the market rent, which you can get from rentometer.com, and the market cap rate. This is market specific, so you'll want to ask a local realtor or investor to find out what the local market cap rate is for that property. Then your maximum offer will be what the landlord's maximum offer is minus your desired wholesale fee. So if you run the calculator and it says that a landlord would pay up to $80,000 for it, then you deduct your fee, maybe that's $10,000, and you know that you have to get a property under contract for $70,000. Don't forget to watch this other video I made about how to calculate numbers on rental properties so you know how to run numbers like a landlord, right? I'm going to give you a copy of the calculator over there in that video too, so check that out. The last thing you need are the contracts to do this. You'll need two things. First, the purchase contract from the seller to you, that's how you buy the property, and the assignment agreement from you to the investor buyer. That's how you sell your right to buy the property. You can get a free copy of those if you go to wealthgym.com/wholesale, and I'll put that in the description below as well. Alright guys, hopefully you got value out of this. Check out one of these other videos on making money and real estate investing. My favorite one is the one that says $25K to $1 million because that's how we grew our passive income and net worth super fast to achieve financial freedom in our 20s. If you want to see more videos like this, do me a favor and click that subscribe button and smash the like button while you're at it. Have a great day guys, and I will see you next time.